What's going on, guys? Blader Jordan today, and I'm back with another Metal Fight Beyblade battle. And tonight's battle is going to be a battle between Earth Eagle 145 wide defense, and this is going to be going up against Lightning El Drago 100 whole flat. So, how many things going to win down below between these two bays? And let's get started with round number one. Go shoot. Oh, Lightning El Drago almost got knocked out. Oh, damn. Okay. And there it is. Earth Eagle makes the first point. Let's shoot. Oh, okay. Earth Eagle with another knockout. Nice. Go shoot. Go shoot. Oh, crap. Missed launch. Let me redo that. Of course, I dropped Earth Eagle. And I drop it again. Go shoot. Damn. Okay. Is Earth Eagle going to win this battle? Go shoot. Okay, maybe not. Lightning El Drago makes a knockout. It's 3-1. Earth Eagle falls out the stadium. Alright, draw. Oh, and another knockout by Lightning El Drago. Okay, so 3-2. Never mind. 3-3. So is El Drago potentially absorbing Earth Eagle's power? Maybe. Jeez, Earth Eagle keeps falling off the stadium. I wonder if wide defense is worn down or something. Okay, Earth Eagle takes it. So wow, this is crazy. Earth Eagle may win. I don't know. It's 4-3. Okay, never mind. 4-4. Let's see which way is going to win this battle. Alright, another draw. Oh, and yeah, wasn't happening, unfortunately. Lightning El Drago is the winner of this battle and beats Earth Eagle. So, hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for more Metal Fight Beyblade battles. Please subscribe to the channel. And with that being said, I'll see you guys later. Or tomorrow, I should say.